everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my favorite cousin, sister. So today we're gonna eat homemade chow and then we got some lemon juice with chutney and pork. So please watch till the end.
We have worked a lot for this, so please watch till the end. This song.
Get lost, sister. All the beverages are.
Let's get started.
Oh my god.
I forgot. We are not that expert with cheese chopstick, but we are going to try. Yeah. Not bad. Spicy. It's good.
After all, no.
Yeah. I'm trying again. I don't know how, I'm not that expert with chopstick. Like how do you eat with chopstick? Why?
I'm not.
Spicy, right?
Itu stronger. Apa juga?
At last.
My hair looks like a bread. Tak lang.
I didn't expect that it will be like tasty. It will be this much. Seriously. No, I know how it's like how it's really hard to eat with chopstick. It's not easy, guys. She made this juice, lemon juice. Smack like a lele. Our chutney is very spicy. By the way, we forgot to mention it's a green chili pickle. Yeah, it's very spicy. It's annoying.
Come on.
Oh, hello.
She go up.
Shut up. Nó sao lại
Mình biết chưa?
anh không 누나 시비가 있어. 들어가면서 와. So we are done. We try our best to finish.
We're done na.
We are done. खुद मुंह बोले बड़ा ना है. So sorry for that.
Look at the kaido.
But seriously, it was good. It tastes good. It tastes like giant momo last time. Because we are not here. We want to see one. So many people around us. They are ready to eat this.
So bye guys, see you on next video.
Bye.
With my favorite cousin.
Tuba, you benar kaya deh.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
几张上楼呢？
Ako po. Sorry, iba mo na siya.
Kaya mo